About this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to update your Facebook business page information. So let's go to our Facebook, and this is it. This is my own main page. I'm going to switch to my business page, and this is it. I'm going to switch here and switch to another page, which is my business page. I'll as well, and that is my business page. So this is it. I'm going to my business page now. So I'm going to allow you to switch. Oh, my page is being switched into my business page. So this is my business page now. This is the page I use for my business. So I'm going to update it. Never have any more thing I wanted to add. I wanted to remove anything. Just click on this profile menu button here, and you click on settings. Then you scroll down here to page details. And this is it. If I want to edit anything, maybe my categories, I want to edit my categories here. I'm going to edit anything I wanted to add. I wanted to, you can see, if I wanted to add more, maybe I'm into another thing that I wanted my followers to know. I'm going to choose anything on the categories here, and let's go back. And this is it. If you want to add any other address, maybe your home address or your office address, you can just click on edit. You can add your email, add your service. If I wanted to add another number, and I wanted to edit this my phone number here, I'll do anything. You can do anything here, anything you want to add to your Facebook business page. So this is it. You can see you can add and remove under your Facebook business page. So if you guys found this information very helpful, click the like button, share and comment.